और Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges but ru hakador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umintri ka sarkar jalawa polindo ule thu bagajing pengandia ginong di Madan na Khyndai lat hadu jail road but hadu lat Umsohsun kan perekam nadu kalpu atrik unaitung arajar alpusan. Hakajing keramik lat patai kubor ba pol ongru balakmi linti ginong di Madan makin ko ngu ika hukum kabla penmi tekaying bisha Meghalaya High Court kenang berlong bet tanggalin tiyak kejat nadu Khyndai lat ter hadu jail road syakal yang kaman but hadu lat Umsohsun syakal yang kadiang.
One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Khyndai up to Jail Road on the right side and Umsohsun on the left side.
So there will be beautification.
Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit timing. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there will be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area. Well, we have adequate manpower, and also the High Court verdict has in fact strengthened our case, and by 22nd of July we expect complete compliance by all vendors.
So total relocation will be done
Before the 22nd
of July.
Meaning everything will be freezed on that day itself. Muda, we almost it's available now. Everything is already in place, and this is phase one. Once we are successful in phase one, we will then take up the remaining phases. Are you saying that the street is their natural habitat, their home? We have done much than what any other government would have done. Gone out of our way, invested in that space, and given them more than a year's time to relocate. So we've been very fair.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.